Alright everyone, I'm gonna try something today. It could be an epic fail, but this could potentially be episode 1 of many. Corolla cooking. Something I really love to do at home is bake. I love to make breads and pastries and all sorts of things. So today I'm gonna try to make a buffalo chicken calzone. But the thing is, I don't have service and I don't remember my pizza dough recipe. So we'll see how this turns out. Alright, so the first part with any dough is that you need warm water, not hot water. But the thing is, I don't have a faucet, so we're gonna warm up some water. Hopefully we don't get it too hot so the yeast actually activates and doesn't die. This is gonna be bad. So while the water's warming up, we're gonna need to mix the yeast and the sugar together because that's what we're gonna add the warm water to and hopefully activate the yeast and not kill it. I'm pretty sure it's a 1-to-1 ratio, 1 tablespoon of yeast and then 1 tablespoon of sugar, but I could be wrong. See how this turns out. I do think I let the water got too hot, so we're gonna have to let this cool down a little bit. But I think it's a cup of water, maybe? So now we're gonna stir this and then let it stand for about 5 to 10 minutes for the yeast to activate. Hopefully. Just kind of winging this. Or maybe you're not supposed to stir it. Maybe you're supposed to let it sit and then stir it afterward. Whoops. You guys already know how this video is gonna end, don't you? And I'm still doing it. While we wait, I'm just gonna say I'm really glad I'm actually doing this. I haven't like cooked on the road. I always do like simple stuff like chicken wraps or salads and stuff. I haven't actually like taken time to cook for myself, so even if it fails, I'm still glad I did it. Well, I'll decide that at the end, but yeah. I don't have service out here, so I'm just watching my yeast rise. They say a watch pot never boils, but does yeast rise when it's watched? I don't know. I'm gonna have the worst farmer's tan imaginable this summer. It's already pretty bad, right? And yes, for those of you wondering, I do have the patience for baking. Although I think it's looking pretty good. We've got a good rise going on. Just hope it doesn't get too hot in the sun here. Got a good foamage going on, so I think it's ready for the flour. Don't remember the portions for this. Really should have downloaded something before I did this. I guess we'll start with 1.5. Guess we'll do a few spritz of salt. Maybe a little garlic powder? Garlic never hurt anyone, right? Maybe a little more flour. It's a little sticky. Here we go. Now we're cooking. I'm always jealous of those people that have hand mixers. is really hard to knead with one hand in a tiny space. You're used to having like a countertop, but I think it's working. I guess texture-wise, I'm happy enough. It's a little bit sticky, but I don't want to like overdo it, you know? So we're gonna coat it with oil and then let it rise for about an hour or so. So we'll see how we do. Hopefully I did okay. Also, you know what I just realized? Doing dishes is gonna really stink. Yep, didn't think that through. This actually rose really super fast in the sun. That was only like 15 minutes. Alright everyone, I cheated. I already cooked my chicken in advance, but you get the gist. What do we think? Is that too much or too little buffalo sauce? This could be a disaster. I have a love-hate relationship with spicy food. It looks more like a big stromboli than anything else, but yeah, it's good. Oh. That's big. Also gonna try to cook it over fire. I don't know how that's gonna go. It's gonna stick. This is a bad idea, right? Well, this is a living and learning lesson, so. I think I got it, guys. I am the fire master. This is my first time starting a fire outside. Do we think the flames on foil is a bad idea? Or is the foil meant for that? Should I wait till the fire goes down? I don't know. I have these cool gloves though that I bought like 2 years ago and I haven't used yet. In the comments section, how many people are cringing right now? I am. You think this is gonna work? Be dumb luck, huh? I don't know how I come up with these ideas. This might be the first and last episode of this series. Alright, moment of truth. No way. You guys! Oh my goodness, is it cooked? Oh, it's cooked. Yes. Wow. No way. The cheese didn't melt too good, but it's fine. Oh, that's spicy. It's really spicy though. I added way too much buffalo sauce. So good. You know what I did forget was ranch and blue cheese. It's just really spicy. Nothing to cool down. Did not think I was gonna eat this whole thing, but here I am, almost done. I have now entered into a food coma and I do not want to clean up. Luckily that was an easy cleanup. It's going to be just one dish. Wow, it's so delicious. Alright everyone, because this first episode was a success, I think I want to try it again. So I'm gonna need some food suggestions. Comment them down below. What should I make next? I need inspiration, because yeah. Otherwise I'll just keep making calzones and get really, really large. Do you want to see me try to cook, or what's, I don't know. I'm trying to try new things. This year I really wanted to try new things, try to bake more, try to read more, try to see different things and stuff, try different experiences. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, let me know. And we'll go from there. But yes, definitely let me know if this is interesting or if this is just cringy, too cringy for the internet. Yeah. Alright, thanks. Also, quick ethical debate for you guys. I've been going to a lot of first come, first serve free campsites. And so there's been a lot of like, I get there early and so I get a really good camp spot. And then somebody always comes in after me. There's still other campsites available, but they want the one that I'm at because it's a really good campsite. It's at a good location. There's some privacy, shade or something, you know? It's always like a couple people. And they're always like, oh, you planning on staying the night? I'm like, yeah. They're like, oh, that's too bad. That's a really great campsite. Should I move? Because you could argue that it's better for more people to have a good camp spot than just one person. But at the same time, it is first come, first serve, and I got there first. What do you guys think? I ended up moving one of the times, but the second time I didn't move. So I've done both. I don't feel good about either one of them, though. I can say that. Just there's other camp spots. It's not like I've taken the last spot, you know? Like, just take what's open, right? And they're all the same size camp spots, too. So when they have a trailer, like, it doesn't make a difference. I realize I just have my Corolla, but what do you guys think? What would you do?